Hello, in this video we are going to show you how to assemble the DIY Maria picnic table. Before we begin, we do recommend 2 people for assembling the DIY Maria picnic table. Attach a benchboard bracket to your first side panel using the supplied screws. Repeat that step on the opposite side by attaching the other benchboard bracket to the first side panel. Attach the top braceboard bracket and bottom braceboard bracket to the first side panel. Next, you'll attach the foot brackets, one on each side. You may find it easier to turn the panel upside down to attach the foot brackets. Next, you are going to attach a second side panel to all of those brackets that you just attached to the first panel. Repeat those steps for the third and fourth side panel. For this assembly, we will be using 2 2x4 boards for the angle braces, cut to 18 1/4 inch, 2 2x4 boards for the top and bottom braces cut to 72 inches, and 9 2x6 boards for the tabletop and seats cut to 72 inches. Orient the 2 end panels so that you can slide the 2x4 brace board into the top brace bracket. Secure the brace board by using the supplied screws and screwing it into the brace bracket. Repeat this same step for the bottom support board. You may find it easier to turn the table over so that you may secure the support board to the brace bracket. Attach an angle bracket to the bottom brace board. Repeat the same step for the other side. Insert a 2x4 angle brace board diagonally in the angle brace and then secure using the supplied screws. Repeat this step for the other side. Attach the angle bracket to the top support brace, which will now be on the bottom if you are working on the table upside down. While the table is upside down, now is a good time to insert the leveling feet. Slide the 2x6 seat boards through the bench board brackets. Then secure them using the supplied screws. Measure your length on each end to make sure that it is equal on each side. Next, you will need to lay out your 2x6 boards for the tabletop on a separate surface. Upside down, not on the side that you want to use for your tabletop. Be sure to leave 1 1/8 inch off of each end before you screw the table brackets into the tabletop boards. That will allow for the table brackets to fit into the side panels when you flip it over. And attach the table board bracket to each end of the 2x6 tabletop boards. Turn your tabletop with brackets over onto the side panels. Then secure the tabletop brackets to the side panels using the supplied screws. There you have it. Everything is assembled and hopefully it was easy for you. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@steelmadefurnishings.com. Thank you.